Okay,
Ready
we're about
go,
to
Sammie?
introduce Big Dog, very big fat dog,
Sammie.
probably about 60 pounds, to a weenie pug and
Baby, little girl.
a weenie
What,
chihuahua.
8 cats, and our house, and our tree, and our foods, Christmas dinner that we still haven't made.
Come on, Big Dog.
Let's go, Sammie.
There it goes.
You friend?
See if he wants to pee first.
Alright.
Just walking around the grass a bit.
Yep, there it goes.
Yay, first pee. Nice.
Let's
Okay.
take him to meet Boots real quick. Come on.
Yeah?
Let's go meet.
Oh my god!
Come on, Sammie, let's say hi to Boots. Come on, Sammie.
This is not happy. You ready?
Alright, Sammie, let's go.
Okay, Big Dog.
I have a neighbor dog.
Okay, here we go.
1 second.
This is gonna be funny.
Moment of truth.
Sammie.
Let's go! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Sausage? Uh-oh.
Really, baby?
Weenie's not happy. Some territory issues here.
It's so funny with their Christmas outfit on.
Weenie!
Oh, come here. Come here, girl. Alright, Samuel, let's go in. Come on. Oh, Sammie.
Weenie's not happy. Okay. Oh no. Mmm!
Oh, really?
First dump.
Really?
First dump.
Ah, no.
Oh.
Ew. Sammie.
Might be an interesting issue.
Sammie, why?
Twisty does not know. Oh!
Oh, really? Ah.
Wow.
You better get off the machine. Get off.
Fucking territory.
No! Damn it!
Walking the territory.
Ah, okay. I'm done.
Yeah.
Come on,
Sausage. Is this a Christmas nightmare?
Sammie.
You tell me.